Your car won't start on a freezing morning, you're late for work, and your phone's dead too, so you can't even call for help. Here's what nobody tells you about battery replacement. It's not just about convenience, it's about safety and saving money. Most car batteries last 3 to 5 years, but here's the thing, they don't just die overnight. They give you warning signs that most people ignore. Your engine cranks slower than usual. Your headlights dim when you're idling, or your dashboard lights flicker. These aren't minor annoyances, they're red flags. When your battery starts failing, it puts extra strain on your alternator, which can cost you $800 or more to replace versus a simple $200 battery replacement. But here's the dangerous part. A dying battery can leave you stranded in unsafe locations, especially at night or in bad weather. Dead batteries are also the #1 cause of roadside emergencies, and if you're stuck on a busy highway, that's a life-threatening situation. Cold weather accelerates the deterioration of weak batteries, so if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't wait until winter arrives. The acid in old batteries can also leak and corrode your engine components, making a simple battery replacement a costly repair job. Your battery powers everything from your fuel injection system to your safety features, so when it fails, your entire car becomes unreliable. Don't gamble with your safety and your wallet. If your battery is over 3 years old or showing warning signs, replace it now. Come stop by Brake Stop, located at 4308 Live Oak Street, Dallas, Texas, or contact us at 214-821-6040. Thank you for watching. See you next time.